A lot of them.
She literally just stood on the rope, flung the right mid out, juggled it, and somehow was able to take it.
Yeah, just falling over
really
the rope,
set
one
right
hand
back on the rope, which was the key to this catch.
and it just continued to drift over the boundary.
Encouraging for a fair catch, fair delivery. You go to your first angle of the catch attempt, please. Please. They've got the ball
Overbalancing.
there. She's released it. Thank you. She's released it. Thank you. And she's off the ground. And then the catch is completed inside the ring.
Well, don't worry about those first two catches. Just show that one on replay.
That's ridiculous, Starkey. What an absolute beauty. Great awareness. Lobbed it up to herself. Charged back into the field of play. Diving forward. Wonderful.
Thank you for watching.